What's the meaning of boulevard? Boulevard. Boulevard.
Boulevard. Boulevard. A boulevard is a wide and sometimes tree-lined street, typically with multiple lanes for vehicles, sidewalks for pedestrians, and often featuring commercial or residential buildings. The term boulevard originates from the French word boulevard, which means rampart or fortification. Today, boulevards are commonly found in urban areas and serve as major thoroughfares for transportation and commerce. They can also provide aesthetic value to cities and towns by offering attractive landscaping, public art, and outdoor seating areas. Overall, boulevards play an important role in modern urban planning and design.